Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how it's clickbait or not. Minecraft logic is broken. Today, I'm going to test one viral TikTok hack that you can do. Alright, floating anvil in Minecraft. Right. Okay. What? Oh, it's not falling! No! It will be clickbait. Nah, it's not real. I will check. It's not real. I'm recording! Okay, I think it was clickbait. It was clickbait, right? Oh, there it is. Wait. Sorry, guys. I'm back. It will be clickbait. It's clickbait, right? Right? It's clickbait. I know it was clickbait because it's clickbait. Nope, it's not. It's clickbait. It's clickbait, you know? Okay, no, it's not. It's not real. I refuse if we place a block of redstone and then do a piston like this, a slime block here, and then an anvil right there, and bang! Brah, brah, brah! Ha! What is this? What is that? What is this cursed Minecraft here? How you are not falling? Ready? I'm holding shift. Ready? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This makes no sense. This makes no sense. Oh my god! I think that's the end for the video. Bye!